Well, there's certainly not a lot going on around here. Certainly not a lot of video editing. The potato bin is almost done. And I've been waiting for this. Lily, I see that puppy dog. June 5th today, and I just haven't been in the mood for editing. So you're going to get this instead. From my favorite store. And this is the hardware that I'll be using on it. And maybe I'll get into editing mood and do a whole bunch all at once. So from Lee Valley, there's the drawer pulls I'll be using. Not bad looking at all. And I also purchased myself a present. An Arex 1/4 inch mortising chisel. And that ought to come in really handy. Couldn't afford to get a whole set, but I think a 1/4 and a 3/8 will be my most used. So I got the 1/4 for 3/4 inch wood to start with. Right from Lee Valley. Good value for the money, that brand. I've got the whole set of bench chisels on that, which is why I stuck with the brand name. So there you go, President's Day. We'll get the potato bin done up and we'll get it editing some video and bring more to you as soon as possible. In the meantime, we're enjoying the sunshine and the weather. Trying to make some lazy days, I guess. Thanks for dropping by. Be nice to one another.